Okay everybody, this is Christmas pancit. I am your Santa Claus and I will show you how to cook it, the original pancit. Pempo, you want to watch? So we need to open the pancit with the hands. So then get the bowl and then put in the saucer. So like this, open, put all of the crunchy dried out noodles, get the sachet, make sure you get the sachet, 2 of them. So empty out the rest of the dried out noodles, like, so you have the empty packet. Throw it, the empty packet, make sure you keep the sachets, because you will need that. So get this, fill with water. Rinse the water, so that it is running water. You want to use the running water, not the first time. Now you have your running water with the pancit nest of dried out noodles. You can then put it on the hob to cook. Now it is cooking.
You want some treat? Oh my goodness.
It is midway through cooking the Christmas pancit and Anna and Phoenix Rose come in because Phoenix Rose want a snack. So Anna will give the snack to Pen whilst the boiling pancit nest is cooking. We are midway. If you want to be happy, be happy. It's better to be happy because then can spread happy to others. So you want to stir it, not hard. When the egg you add, stir softly. Don't forget the noodles is not absorb all of the water yet. So that's the best time to add the egg. But when you do add the egg, then you want to stir it softly. Because you don't want it to, you know, to be all of it to be dissolved, the egg, and it will be everywhere. You want to cook so it's a bit hardened. So it cook in the middle as well. So cook it for 1 more minute.